Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hardik Raval. In the previous video, we have seen how to use map function. In this video, we will see how to use spread operator. So first we will see what we were doing in ES5. So let's say I want to combine the result of array 1 and array 2 and want to store in the new variable. So let's say const array 3, and the way I can do in ES5, that is array 1 concat and array 2. Okay, do the console log array 3 and let's run this program. Okay, so we will do node index.js and surely we get the result. We combine the array and store into the new variable. Now let's do the same thing in ES6. So I'm going to put into comment and we'll create a array 3, excuse me, and here I would create a blank array like that, and then I will use spread operator. So 3 time dot and array 1, and we'll do the 3 time dot and array 2. Okay, so let's do the console log for the same array 3. Now let's run this program again. Yeah, so we get the same result as before. Now you will say in terms of length of the code we haven't made that much improvement, but let's say if I want to add a new variable in between this, so for example, if let's say here I want to add Frank, right, and let's do one more time. So see, we also get the Frank added in between this two array. So if we need to do the same thing using this approach, then we may have to add 1 or 2 more line of code, but in this case the solution is neat and clean. So what happened when we use this spread operator? So this syntax, what it will do, it will simply fetch this 2 element. So array 1 is this one, so it will simply fetch this 2 element from that array and will put it here, and then we have a Frank, and this syntax array 2 will fetch this 2 element and just put it here. So at the end it will combine the everything in this blank array and we get the result. Yeah, so using the spread operator we can have a more weight on the code and we can easily combine the results of more than one arrays. Thank you so much for watching.